Is Walmart a buy? That's the question we need to be asking ourselves. Is Walmart a buy? So on my screen right now, we have every single headline that has came out since the year has started for Walmart. Now, Walmart has gotten a lot of good news. Walmart has gotten a lot of bad news. We're here to just dissect whether the news is affecting the stock. You know what I mean? So underneath each headliner, I have the resource of where the news actually came from, so you can go and fact check that yourself. But I have two basically pages of different headliners. We have headliners talking about tariffs. We have headliners talking about the stock falling. I'm just going to break down why the stock fell and if we should be buying it. All right. So Walmart stock crash. Should you buy the dip? These are questions that you need to ask yourself when you're making investment decisions. Walmart stock just took a major hit after strong earnings but weak guidance. Shares dropped over 6%. So is this a golden opportunity, or is this just more drop ahead? Because 6% is a lot for an asset to fall in one day. Like that happened in one day. So I'd be a little bit scarce about where I would want to stick my money, and I would want to assess the situation a little bit deeper, right? So Walmart reported strong Q4 earnings with a 5.3% revenue increase, and profit beats expectations. So they beat expectations and their revenue was up. Some stores' sales grown, showing Walmart is still a dominant force in the retail market. So basically, we still think that Walmart is dominant in the retail market, but we have a little bit of caution. So the company basically tells us that they are concerned about guidance for 2026. Now, no, we're not in 2026, but as a shareholder, I do want to know where they foresee or forecast the asset to be going. You know what I mean? Before I dump my money into it. So they're just basically letting us know that listen, there is some true caution on what is to come for 2026. All right. So that's basically what it is. So why did Walmart stock drop? Despite strong earnings, Walmart warned about potential headwinds, raising costs, which we obviously know things are going up, a slowing consumer, so people are not buying as much, in the economy. Plus, potential tariffs could affect Walmart. So those things right there, investors are like, whoa, wait a minute. And that made, Walmart drop 6%. People were just like, oh, let me get my money out of here. Like, let me be done. And Walmart stopped. But with that, should you buy Walmart? So the question is, should you buy the dip? Well, Walmart remains to be strong, dividend paying stock with long term growth potential. That is true. The company just raised its dividend by 13%, making it 52 years of consecutive growth. So 52 years, Walmart has continuously grown. So that right there shows you that it's a stable company, but Walmart's also an aristocrat, meaning it's been there for since the stock market's practically open. Not really because obviously Walmart wasn't invented then, but it's been open for a long time, basically, in a nutshell, is what I'm trying to say. So, and they went up on their dividend. So that means that each share that you hold, you get 94 cents. Who doesn't want a company that's going to pay them to hold them? You know what I mean? I love dividends. Love dividend stocks. All right. So now let's take a look at the chart. Like I get that I just told you a bunch of words and a bunch of mumbo jumbo, but let's look at what the chart is telling us, because if we're going to trade this, if we're going to hold this, we want to know what the chart is saying. All right. All right. So we got Walmart, and we're going to look at the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart is going to tell us the full story. Assets respect the 4-hour time frame. That's just what it is. So we're looking for me, I'm looking for buying opportunities. Now that's not financial advice. That's just me telling you what the chart is doing and what I'm expecting to come for Walmart. I feel that Walmart is a buy the dip type of situation, but you go and assess those articles that I give you. You look at the data that I'm saying and you tell me if this is a strong company for you to buy into. I'm just telling you that I plan to buy, right? So where do I plan to buy? What am I thinking? So on my chart, I have two lines, a red line and a green line. And the red line is going to be my resistance and my green line is going to be my support. Now, with my support and resistance, basically, these are just areas that I'm watching to see what the stock does at these key levels. So my support, which is the green line, is going to be 88.92. My resistance is going to be 105.24 cents. So those are my two levels. Walmart is going to trade in between those two levels, and I need to be smart enough to figure out where I want to buy Walmart. So that's all support and resistance is finding a key level, playing within those or at those to see where you want to buy it, okay? So now I also have two more support and resistance. Now these two more support and resistances, like I stated earlier, Walmart is a buy the dip type of situation. I don't want to sit there and go and buy Walmart while it's green. I want to find the key area that it pulled back. So this key area is not a line. It's going to be a zone for me. So my zone is going to be $92.12 to $94.63. So what does that mean? Because it's like, oh, Queen, you gave two numbers. Meaning I am willing to buy this asset between $92 and $94, and that is it. I will not buy it higher than that. I need to wait and be patient for it to come back down to that zone. Right. So what is my resistance? My resistance key level is $104.16 to $105.42, give or take. All right. So what does that mean? Because I gave two more levels. It's meaning I'm going to probably sell this if I'm looking to trade this intraday. So if I'm trading this, swing trading it, day trading it. But if I'm looking to invest and I'm holding this for the long term for my portfolio, which I am going to look to buy this at $92 and $94. And I'm not looking to get out of it until I make a pretty good return on my investment. Okay. So that, in my opinion, Walmart is a buy the dip situation. All right. So you need to ask yourself, is Walmart a buy the dip situation for you? With everything that I've given you, did I make my case on it being a buy the dip situation? So if you want more comments or more videos like this, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can get clear updates. Definitely comment if you want me to go over a stock in the comment section. I read all comments. So go in there. If you want me to dissect a stock with the charts and news and stuff like that, give me time and I'll find it. And absolutely, I'll take care of that for you. Until then, see you next week.